Hi guys, today I want to show you how I was able to identify this candle right here as the bottom in a really strong downtrend. And as you can see, after this candle we get an almost perfect V reversal. I will explain to you how I knew this, and stick around until the end of the video because I have uploaded my indicator to TradingView and I'll show you how you can get access to it. To explain what this indicator is showing, I went back into replay mode to show you this candle. This indicator is basically telling us how much resistance there was for the price movement in a candle according to the volume. And this is a great example of what this means. As you can see right here, these two candles, they're both 30-second candles, have almost the same volume, but in the first candle, the price actually moved for almost 30 points, while in the next candle, the price only moved for about 10 points. But they had the same volume, and this is what my indicator is showing us, that when there is a lot of volume, but not a lot of price movement, there is a chance we have hit a resistance level. And when we hit a level like that, it's important to see how the market reacts. As you can see from the next candles, the market goes up. And this bottom right here doesn't even get challenged anymore. The market keeps climbing. For example, you can also see that there was already some resistance in this candle, and right afterwards there was also a move up, as you can see here. But then we actually break this level in this really big candle. But because we actually have another really big resistance candle here, right after this resistance candle, that's usually a really bullish signal. And because the spike is so big, we actually get a really big move upwards. As you can see, we also see a resistance candle right here. The market goes a little bit higher and then this level gets tested again. And because we don't really break through this level, but we actually end up in a green candle right here. So this usually means that the market will continue to climb upwards. Here is another example of how you can use this indicator to detect local bottoms. As you can see, we marked this level right here because we thought the market might reverse, but actually the market continued to climb, and then eventually it came down again. And now we're touching this level again, and there's also a little bit of resistance right here. So that's actually a good signal to go long again. So the market goes up again, and then you can see more resistance forming right here. So here would be a good time to exit the trade. So I have published my indicator to TradingView. It is private and invite only, but you can get access to it by following the link in the description of this video. When you follow the link, you go to this form and you need to fill in your email address and your TradingView username. When I receive this, I will add you to the invite list. After I have given you access to my indicator, you can go into TradingView, click on Add Indicator, and search for the invite-only scripts. You should see it there, and then you can add it to your chart. If you have any questions or remarks about this indicator, you can contact me at kctradinginsights@gmail.com. If you like this video and you want to use my indicator, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, Apex Trading is having a 90% discount right now. That's the biggest discount they can give. If you're planning on buying new evaluation accounts and you want to support me, you can use my discount code below. Thank you for watching.